The terrain here is exciting, and it includes a journey through a mysterious tunnel to get to both peaks. So sit back and enjoy the ride, for it's a journey you'll never forget. First things first, parking is limited here, so arrive early to secure your spot. This is your base for an unforgettable adventure, and the views start right from the parking lot. You won't need any special equipment for this hike, but trekking poles can come in handy for the steep terrain. My wife brought a pair. You're looking at Mount Markham, and we're about ready to enter that mysterious tunnel to get to these two awesome peaks. You're looking at the Mueller Tunnel that was built in 1942 by the Forest Service. It was blasted out of this mountain to make room for a service road to get to Mount Lowe and other various peaks. A landslide put it out of commission for trucks, and now it's only good and useful for hikers to get to these three peaks. Actually, the third one is the San Gabriel. If you're feeling ambitious, you can hit that one up as well. We did too. As you emerge from this epic tunnel, you're greeted by stunning canyon views and the start of your ascent to two epic peaks. Both have 360-degree panoramic views. I think this is one of the best climbs in the San Gabriel Mountains. In Hikebytes' opinion, it's one of the most underrated hikes in the San Gabriel Mountains, and you're going to see why in a minute. There's two junctions coming up ahead, and I don't want you to get lost, but you have an opportunity to climb three peaks. I'll show you here in a minute. Cool. If you continue straight on the junction, you'll be on a bike trail, which is epic for mountain bikers. I do recommend it. Now, if you look to the right, you can go on up to the San Gabriel Peak, but just across the way, 35 steps, is the junction to Mount Lowe and Mount Markham. We went left here to Mount Markham and Mount Lowe. You will see a water tank just at the junction. Will give you an idea you're in the right spot. So here I am heading up to Mount Markham first and then over to Mount Lowe. It's an epic trail. I hope you enjoy it. It's a lot of fun. The trail itself is a mix of rocky paths and sandy stretches. It weaves in and out of a gorgeous canyon landscape. You'll feel immersed in nature as you climb higher. With every step, it reveals something new and challenging. Here we are at a boulder field scramble. Pretty unique and very sketchy. Be very careful on these cliff edges, especially where I'm showing you right now. It's just one false move and you're going down several hundred feet. The gravel is really loose, and the rocks, if you hit one wrong and you stumble, boy, it would not be good. Look how steep it is. I hope the camera can show it. The views out here are really beautiful. There's mountain ranges everywhere you look. The trail is a little rugged, but totally doable. Turn left. If you continue straight here, you'll head over to Mount Lowe, but we made a sharp left to go to Mount Markham. And Mount Markham is epic. My favorite peak. I'm gonna follow. So this is the rock scramble. Nothing major. This is an easy peak hike. For anybody who'd like to get to a peak and they're beginners, I think this is probably the one.
And we've seen kids do this trail.
We have. We watched a YouTube video and he brought his kids. And we brought our big kid, Richard, right here. Really enjoying it because we're not exerting too much energy to enjoy the views. And the views are I don't know, close to Strawberry Peak. Maybe not as epic, but the surrounding mountain ranges are gorgeous. So at this part, Richard and I already experienced these bushes at Strawberry Peak. It's some kind of holly bush, I think. But they grab you and they stick you and they hang onto your clothing really easy. Also these yuccas, be careful, it hurts. I grabbed a little one with my hand as I was coming down Strawberry Peak. And I think one poked Richard in the leg. Very painful. So a little rock scramble, nothing too hard. How are you hanging with it, Heidi?
I'm good.
Yeah, good. She has her trekking poles.
Oh gosh.
I want to show this terrain so people who don't want to do it, they'll be aware there's a little bit of some steep rock climbing.
Trekking poles certainly help.
They do.
We never have any easy hikes.
We don't.
Oh, the
But
views
they are gorgeous.
gorgeous.
Look at this view.
Wow. Huh?
Watch the yucca right here.
Got a nasty yucca coming up. 360 degrees, guys. You got panoramic views. What?
It's getting better.
It is.
This is fun.
It is.
Let me get my feet.
So this will give you an idea what you're in for. This rocky switchbacks, a little bit of gravel and loose dirt, but nothing too bad. Heidi's still using her poles. I think at some point we have to do a little light climbing, so we may have to put Heidi's poles away, based on what I read. We'll see. Is there a cool view coming up, Richard?
All the views around are pretty nice.
They are.
We'll have to see where it's like above here. That is nice.
Oh yeah, this is a nice view.
Woohoo.
Nice. Real nice.
I wonder what that is over there. Oh, that's Mount Lowe. See the gym?
Oh, that's Mount Lowe. Wow, look at those views. So we're gonna change this to intermediate. No beginners. After that climb, it's an intermediate to hard. It's gonna be tight through here, guys. Definitely wear pants or long sleeve and thick pants. Good Levi's or jeans or thick canvas. This is where the mountain climbing begins. Yeah, we're mountain climbing, guys. Definitely mountain climbing. Yeehaw, look at that. I really believe this is one of the most underrated hikes. I think it's 10 for 10, and I actually borrowed this from a review on All Trails, and it got me interested in coming. This is where it gets steep, guys. Because of what he said, and I agree, Mount Markham is one of the best mountain climb hikes in the San Gabriels. You know, quite honestly, it never looks as steep as it really is through a camera lens, but this is rock climbing, and this is mountain climbing. Be prepared. Yeah, they're pricky.
Ow.
Yeah, getting me too.
Hit my foot.
So again, I want to emphasize pants and long sleeves for obvious reasons.
Oh my goodness.
Have you?
Wow.
Oh yeah,
Woo.
look at that.
Look at that. I wish we could get the detail of the city. You could like see the city.
Let's try. It's just a tough incline from here with bushes and rock scrambling. It never really gives you a break at this point. Our heavy breathing should give that away. Easy breezy for Heidi. She's a mountain climber. You are, you've done one.
Okay, there's a complete drop off here.
That's no, don't look at it like you told your audience. Right? Don't look at it.
Oh God.
Heidi said, don't look at that. That's quite the drop. Keep your eyes on the trail.
It's hard to do this with a runny nose.
You need more tissue?
Yeah,
Okay, we'll stop for a tissue break. But let's look at these views.
I have some up here.
For people who want to rappel, look at this.
Oh gosh.
There you go, for you daredevils out there. I guess to get down there. This might be for rescue, Heidi. If someone falls, they can hook up.
Oh gee.
So that's Mount Lowe right there. And we're thinking we want to do San Gabriel over here. We actually saved that mountain peak for another day. And we're almost to the peak.
Ooh. Oh, look at that one down there.
Another peak.
That white one is so pretty.
That is a gorgeous one. So where do we go? That way? Yeah, I think we continue that way. So I don't know, is this the top, you guys think?
Probably.
Or is there a little more trail? What do you think?
I mean, I see more trail.
Heidi and Richard see a little trail. Let's go. Maybe we got a little further. I don't want to miss it if there's a sign, you know?
Yeah.
Definitely a good break
Oh,
spot.
wait, hold on. Your half got cut.
Oh, thanks.
It's really hard to gauge distance. You think you're at the peak, but then it just keeps going. And this is one of those times. Anything promising? Maybe that's kind of the end of the trail where we were.
Well, this is definitely a trail. This is the end right here.
So maybe that's why he said it's not as good. The other one's better than Mount Lowe.
This one's good. I don't know what.
Oh, I love this one.
This is the end.
All right, the official end of the trail right here. Cool.
Yeah, I would say this is it.
No sign, but we're at the end. Someone probably took it. And that's where we came from, right there. Seems like a long, winding road. Well, this is the end.
Yay!
So we're gonna have a little snack time, a well-deserved break.
Oh.
And we get to look at these gorgeous mountain ranges. So now we're making our way over to this mountain peak across the way. Okay, here's the junction at the bottom of Mount Markham, and we're going to head to Mount Lowe across the way. Which way, Heidi? This way. All right, so let me show you the sign, guys. Onward ho! I'm sure you caught that. Mount Wilson can be accessed through this trail as well. For you real ambitious mountain hikers, you got a fourth peak to hit up. Oh, this part is gorgeous, guys. What do you think? Oh, we're on the edge here. Oh, nice. Oh, we're gonna do a little scrambling again? Maybe. It's amazing they build these trails up here. Can you imagine the work?
No.
No. And look what's over here. Wow. That is a view. Almost there. Looks like a hard left right here. We're gonna see. Just go straight at the Mount Lowe sign and it'll get you to this peak. Okay, so I guess we're off trail a little bit. We'll show you on the way down. It was the one Richard was taking. All right.
It actually felt like a shortcut.
It did.
Yeah.
You don't have to do this one, Heidi.
What?
You don't have to do it. All right. Heidi decided to trailblaze Mount Lowe and see what was at the tip of this peak. So let's check it out. No easy task, that's for sure. Oh, a little lizard just went in a tiny little crevice. So I believe you'll agree that each one of these peaks has its own character, and together they create one of the best hiking experiences in the San Gabriels. Mount Markham and Mount Lowe offer a perfect blend of challenge, beauty, and adventure. From the tunnel's mysterious charm to the unmatched views from the mountain peaks, this hike is a 5-star epic hike according to Hikebytes. So if you plan on coming here, we put a link in the description to the trailhead and navigation for those who have a subscription to AllTrails. Make sure to download the navigation ahead of time to stay on the trail. Thanks again for watching, and until your next adventure, explore nature with us, one bite at a time. See you all on the next one.